Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forner from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for November 18th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see another very slow day for the U.S. equity markets. In fact, it was one of the lightest volume days of the year, but by the end of it, they did manage to squeak out more gains and close at record levels. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was higher by 31 points. The S&P 500 was higher by 1.5 points, while the NASDAQ 100 was higher by 9 points, and the Russell 2000 was the lone index lower by just 4 points. The bond market managed slight gains, and the yield on the 10-year note sits at 1.816%. Crude oil closed sharply lower, down 82 cents or almost 1.5%. This on ongoing concerns over trade and rising supply levels, while gold futures gaining $3 or just 0.2% today, despite some continued weakness here in the U.S. dollar. Now, after market close, Apple announced that they are having a press event on December 2nd, where the company plans to talk about its favorite apps and games of the year. During the regular market session, Apple was higher by $1.34 or half a percentage point. Right now, in the after hours trading, they are higher by another 41 cents or just 0.15%. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.